Warper, Aruna Fields. Punta tayo 7-Eleven mamaya. GN Pre, tapos share mo na din yung stream. Ikaw pala yung DreamWorks.
Wait, you have to check because someone might be using your account. For me, I'm just trying to find some things like ratings to my account. Yeah.
First to chat sa pub.
You know, how you watch it?
Pag hindi nag-claim si Redux saka si Akane,
Wait, you have YouTube Kids?
kasi Friday alam ko. Friday kasi uwi na kami. Ano ng pangalan sa Divine Pride, hanapin nyo by yung mga clue na binibigay natin, mas madaling mahanap. So, demi-human siya kasi mukha nga siyang isi.
No, it's like this, and I love unicorn.
Right, hey.
What?
Let me see. Choji.
Your martyr, and your martyr blue.
Kaya nung art kaya ito, pre.
Plus, that was my own account's arcade.
Ay,
Why did you read my private things? I wanna see your. Okay, fine. I got.
may specific na name, parang ano to, sa mga nanguhula, ano to, parang specific name mob. Nandun siya sa
How do you know that was a spam jumper?
Post ko sa ano, wait lang. Ano else, G? As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. Wait, you're playing Minecraft? Did you? They said that they.
Kailangan nyo mag-type ng exclamation point Flame, tapos RG yan. Para sa mga bago natin dyan.
I'm more evil than you
It's
told
only
me.
one way. Sharing my last time.
Time to buy a corn.
Tapos, ano tayo, raffle tayo ng subs. Sa mga subscribe. 15 winners. Kaya bang kayo. 15 winners to, isang bagsak ha.
I'm gonna play Maple Hospital. Can we play Maple Hospital? No, I think my name's actually Nia Elizabeth.
Who are you talking to? Hey.
I'm talking to Sabina White. Huh? Yeah, what?
Kayo, lahat ng nandito pa sa stream mga pre.
You made this for 100 years, bro.
Lahat ng nanonood pa.
When I said I'm like enough. I'm gonna turn you into an emo, bro.
First winner.
I would be so angry. Let's join my new friend. Do you know this Alejandro?
Wait lang. Pagpalagay mo mga 2 buwan, 3 buwan, September to November, tapos December yung war, hanggang Feb. Si Namrebus, tsaka si Penny. Paklaim ako, Namrebus, Penny. May 45 seconds din kayo. Pag wala,
That's where I sleep.
okay. Thank you sa lahat ng dumaan sa stream mga pre. Raraffle ko yung ano. Puta na, hindi nakapin.
But you yet watched it.
Armor streamer eggs, no? Pero kasi,
Okay.
paano pa nakuha ang shadow armor doon? Shadow armor tsaka shadow shoes, di ba? Ayun, nakuha.
Ha? Kala mo ah.
Okay, next.
It's gonna be I'll be fine. I guess I'm gonna trade everything for
Notify na kayo mga pre.
I lost hair. Okay. No. Yes.
Hintay lang tayo mga maglalaro. Hindi. Ano pa lang ngayon pre? Hindi. 7 rounds tayo ng Guess the Monster. 2 rounds on Else Jewel. 5 rounds, 20 else each. Last round, tapos LC na.
I played the bacon. Let's do the thing again. Okay. Bro, why are you a fat robber?
Check lang. Notify lang kayo mga pre. Check lang ako ng mga top fan kung meron pa. Saka subs.
You're evil too. Wait a minute.
Lalistahan ko.
Give me back my car.
Nakaraan si ano eh. Si Jojo eh. Nanalo kaya si Atong. Ano okay, full storage eh. Tapos mamaya, subscriber raffle naman kayo nila Jojo.
I'm positive. Just
Ayun o, Sinan.
drive it to the motel.
Welcome to the stream, Repa.
Yeah, there's something fishy. Suspicious. I'm gonna get some Hansen muna. Then
Ako
we
ni Pedi, wow. Tsaka si, ano to?
can get spawn your car here. Then drive it. Wait, I will use it. You drive it alam.
Kita-kits bukas sa stream.
Are you gonna
And ayun lang tayo for tonight. Thank you guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.
okay?
Ito na, round 1 mga pre. Yun o. Shout out kay ano, kay Det. Teka lang, G. Oh, ready na kayo guys ha. Monster yon. Siguro sunod-sunod gawin natin Guess the Monster. 2 rounds Anil's Jewel, 5 rounds LC. Tapos may ayun. Atong, bill mo ako sa front yung Den BM. Padila ko.
Same. Let me run over Jollibee. It's fun. Then,
Paklay mga par.
so it means to remember those times that I love.
Yan. Grabe naman si Koto ko, pre. Haha. Koto. O yan, pre. Ano yan? Tayo pala umabot ng repos. Yan, sige. Sige, pre. Alisin na natin to si Maiden. Ayun, so kung gusto nyong kung gusto nyong
This is
auto lista, auto claim, tapos sa mga nakatambay sa stream, may ano tayo dyan. Yun o, persona. Notify. Paulo Ebora, thank you. Notify IG. Dota, kaka-update ko lang.
oh,
Update ko
really? You're
naman.
gonna kidnap me? Positive?
Marbles. Medyo busy.
Okay.
Non-thriving pa din naman ng lakas RO mga pre. Aking i-puklo. Either element or size.
Gee. Oh my gosh, I really don't know.
Ready kayo, tele-LG fish. Mid.
Recently, Vietnam saw viral of Jenny smoking on one of the staff member. It seems Jenny's smoking scandal may have legal consequences. A news outlet reported that a fan had asked for the
Yeah. I was so. Why were you a fat robber?
Yun na. Baka maraming na... So, 16, 17, 18, Banayad, Akane, tsaka Redux. Pa-claim ako.
Your favorite.
Next round. Pro LC, Anil's Jewel,
Discuss.
ano pa ba pwede natin i-paraffle?
Here, enjoy.
Okay, titignan ko kung ano may mga paraffle.
Bro, they're going to watch drama classes again. Who is this?
Hoy, Boss Ingoy, thank you for liking the stream. Welcome.
I'm gonna link to him. Let's see. Yeah, this one.
Yun. So, nauna si Shenlong, si Chi, si Cam. O yan, madali lang yan, pre. Ayan, dito ako sa ano, pre. Sa Aruna Felt Castle.
No, one thing. One here. Gonna give you a party.
Aro Guild. October. September, Trans. October, Season 1 Championship. Season 2, December. So may off season ng G. Ano agad to, pre? So, mananalo dito, one winner lang to. Ang mananalo dito, VIP. Sayang streamer X, maganda pa naman yung bagong itlog, pre.
I'm already looking.
Ano? Raffle muna tayo ng top 10, mga pre. Tsaka ng subs. So, dami mga hatak si ano dami mga sumasali dun kay Kuya. Grave worm. Teka lang nilista ko lang. Ano else? Jewel pa to mga pre Ito down. Kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay mga pre? Kamusta ang War of Imperium natin? Agit Lords pala. Namimigay ako ng 50 NLs jewel tsaka yung lottery ticket na isang daan. Ayun. Nice. Ayun, si Jojo.
Ito, no, daily, no? Bye, see you later.
Sa mga sa ano, okay naman, pwede naman dito sumagot, pre, kaso mali naman rin yung sagot mo Let's raffle na tayo. Ano else, Jewel?
How?
Ano lang? Ano pa gagawin natin? Ano else, Jewel, minigame 5 rounds.
Or tomorrow.
Tawag doon? Accessories. Marami na shadow accessories tsaka shadow. Teka lang double checking ako. Ni Bullet. Hallucigenia. Hallucigenia. Goods.
Why? It's quack. It's like a street food where people sell it by 4 o'clock to like 6.
Tara, streamer eggs tayo. Wala nang hahabol. Wala na yata sila. Sayang naman ang mga turbo. De, okay ka na, Okay ka na, Boss Ato. Matik na yan. Basta subscriber, matik yan, pre. Maganda pala mga laman ng streamer egg. So, hopefully, makakuha kayo na maganda sa mga streamer eggs na napapalalunan nyo. And
Let's play. Wait, let's play Brocade. Wait, I'm going to share my
Bilis lang yan, par. Hindi mo na mamalayan.
I don't know who. Can you remove that? I don't know.
Body, say that you remember. It's in September.
Okay. The end.
Hindi siya isilap, pre.
Oh, okay.
Pagkatapos nito, siguro, guess the monster na lang tayo.
I forgot the
Pwede, pre. Different character. Suggestion ko sa inyo, gumamit kayo ng Divine Pride.
No?
Padsel, pre. Ayun, si Ato nga nanalo.
Why? No, it really died.
Ang daming bagong pumapasok na guild ngayon sa lakas, no? Sa tour. Parang 3 yata yung nakita akong bago. Yung mahal nun eh. CC pambili nun eh. Kasi ano pa random shit. Kaya pre, anong mob yan? So magbibigay ako ng clue after 3 minutes. 2 weeks din, 2 weeks.
I can have your account
Thank you for sharing, pre.
whenever I want to and however I
Teka,
want.
yung siguro listang 1 minute para sa mga entries. Yung mga nandito pa sa stream. May 1 minute.
The joke about history. I mean, never mind.
Oh, next clue natin. Medium.
I'm back. I'm back.
Huwag nyo hanapin, pre, na mag-ano tayo. Kumaga tayo matapos dito.
I'm gonna change your
Siguro pag, guess the monster tayo.
later gonna
Best
But
friend
they
gear
just
3.
played But they went to
Daming bago, no? Mergy, may 45 seconds ka to claim kung nandiyan ka. 45 seconds para kay Mergy. Gamitin ko yung isang sasakyan. Yung isa. Puti. Ito ka na. Hindi ako pwede masyado magpwet dahil maaga pumapasok yung mga ano ko eh. Mga Junakis ko eh. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. Kayo.
Okay.
Last round, last round. Teamworks only comes.
Wait lang, Nina.
Okay.
My dad was just borrowing his phone.
Ano ko lang, i-ready ko lang para ano na lang, sunod-sunod. Should be.
Punished to the full extent of law. To set an example, others join in accusing her of thinking she's above the law or hate
Bali 25 LC per win to, pwede pa ulit-ulit ah.
actions.
Oh yeah. See? Yep, you knew.
Lalakihan ko na. Ano ba ito? Kamusta Jet Lord sa ano? Putang ino, naka all stats costume yun oh. Hina, wait lang ha. Eh? As well. Alina.
Tabs? How did you know?
Si Rare, Say that you remember. Ng mga top fan. Kunin ko lang sa ano. Wala, di ko kasi makita sa Facebook eh. So ano, PC. Last round. Sa mga kay Brew, paano to? Kay Brew, kay Bullet, pre, may ano kayo sa akin, may console. Vajra.
Go to
Ay, sa bibig.
marketplace, then go to characters. If you see the thing, I mean, never mind.
Boss Pila. Medium.
Wait, I don't have because my phone is so bad.
May 3 months
And
na.
I only have, we only have one power bank.
Notify lang yung mga friend. Balik stream na ulit ako.
But
Dami lang kasi talagang ginawa. Busy.
did you hear me? Wait.
Ito po.
I know there's a hack. I think
Mga viewers na mag-stay hanggang sa end ng stream, tara paraffle natin yung loti. Sayang din yun, may mga magaganda din nakukuha sa lot. Wait lang. Tapos, raraffle kayo sa subscribers. VIP din yan.
I miss you so much, Aga. Oh my gosh, I saw a beautiful person.
Akane. Ayun, para kay Redux tsaka kay Akane, 45 seconds para sa inyo. Pag hindi nag-claim si Redux tsaka si Akane, ayun. Nice. Uy, nag-tele! Puta na!
Fun. Wait, can you help? Dito na ako.
Hindi, bago no, kaila ano to kaila
Di ba-
face. Yan, para sa 1 week VIP. Mahina lang pala talaga.
Bro, we love treating each other.
Aboons. Boss Roy Marlon.
I dare you. You just, ano ba? You are there.
Singing. Next round. Para sa 25 LC.
Why not? Why are you banned? What happened? Probably you lost your account or you need to update.
Ngayon ko nga lang na-realize, kailangan ko pa pala mag-stream, pre.
And I'm gonna spend your money on Robux.
Ano tayo? 2 rounds tayo. I'm doing something.
He's busy. Okay, truth or dare? Truth or dare? How? Because we always want.
Oh, baby, baby. Frick. One minute na lang yung clue natin, yung pagitan. So, after 1 minute, lalakyan ko pa ng onti yung picture, tapos 1 minute ulit. Medium. Para sa 25 LC na to. Wait lamang.